Inhale deep breath and release the breath. I'm sorry. I take 100% responsibility. My dear ancestors, please forgive me. Please forgive me, my dear ancestors. On the left side of your eye, visualize all the ancestors from your mother's side. See your mother and then you visualize all those ancestors from the mother's side. Whatever are in your memories, and visualize all those divine souls of 21st generation from your mother's side. And on the right side of your eyes, visualize all the generations from your father's side. 21 generations from your father's side, the right side of your eye. Visualize all those ancestors from father and mother's side whom you remember as their images of face, and other divines as divine souls as in energy form. Visualize them. I'm sorry. I take 100% responsibility. Please forgive me, my all dear ancestors, for ignoring you, but sometimes knowingly or unknowingly disrespecting you. Please forgive me if I have ever hurt you, maybe knowingly or unknowingly. Intentionally or unintentionally. Please forgive me for that. Please forgive me. For not remembering you and not respecting you at all. Please forgive me for underestimating you. Please forgive me for taking you for granted. Please forgive me not even remembering you in my good times and not thanking you. Please forgive me for being ungrateful and many times complaining and judging you. Please forgive me for not thinking that how much intentionally or unintentionally I have hurt you. Please forgive me for not even hearing your voice or what you are facing, not even understanding that. Please forgive me, my dear ancestors, if I have ever hurt you, not listened to you, not thought about you, not being sympathetic, not being empathetic, or please forgive me many times judging you and complaining to you for whatever is happening in my life. Please forgive me for putting all the blame on you. Please forgive me for being sometimes arrogant in my life. Please forgive me. I don't know whether it was right or wrong, bad or good, but I have in any times of my life hurt you or given you any deep pain. Please forgive me for that. All the ancestors from this life and the past lives and the past births, if I have ever hurt you, knowingly or unknowingly, Please forgive me for that. Thank you, universe, for giving me this opportunity so I can heal the relationship with all the ancestors and those divine souls. I'm being grateful towards them for protecting me. Thank you, universe, and thank you all my ancestors for always protecting me. Please come from the guiding light and bless me tonight. Please walk from the divine light, guide me, bless me, and support me. Hear all the divine souls, sages, saints, who have ever invented anything for useful for the human form in this life. All those inventors, scientists, all my ancestors from this birth, previous birth, all the divine souls in the universe, please walk from the divine light and bless me tonight. Please don't forget to bless me tonight. I need your blessings. Thank you so much for sending your blessings to me in abundance. I virtually offer you all my obeisance and respect. I never said this, but today I say that all my ancestors from this birth and past birth, I love you all. I love you, and I'm very, very deeply grateful to all of you, my sisters and divine souls. Thank you, universe. And I want to say to all my ancestors and universe, I love you. I accept myself exactly the way I am. I love myself. I really, really love myself now. And now choose to believe that I am being blessed by the ancestors, loved and healed. Feel the divine rain coming from the universe in a form of divine light. And all your karmas and baggages are getting healed from the past births. Dear universe, please help my ancestors to get to higher dreams and to merge with the divine. Please help all my ancestors who are stuck, feeling frustrated or suffocated at any level. Please help them to rest and merge with the divine. Dear universe, please help me. Thank you, universe. Thank you so much for helping my ancestors. I love you, universe, for helping my ancestors. From now on, I choose to believe that all my ancestors from the mother's side, father's side, and all the divine souls were stuck are being held by the universe to merge with the divine. And they are all blessing me with full love, with power for success, wealth, health, happiness in this lifetime. My luck, my progress, my success is getting better and better. Take a deep breath and release the breath. Inhale, deep breath. And exhale the breath. Massage your hands. Rub your hands and put this warm hand on the face, and you can open your eyes gradually.